Our world doesn't just move fast, it's interconnected, unpredictable. Every second creates a flood of data, but data alone can't navigate disruption. In an age of constant change, reacting is no longer a strategy. You have to be ready for what's next. In Lead, you need technology that doesn't just respond. It anticipates, reasons, and acts. At Soulax, we build the nervous system for the modern enterprise. We create intelligent systems for an intelligent world. At our core is Agentic AI as a service, intelligence that goes beyond analysis. Imagine asking, "Show me delayed shipments," and instantly seeing insights, resolutions, and actions. This is intelligence that doesn't just report a problem, it solves it. Across industries and initiatives, we turn complexity into momentum. In manufacturing, we keep production lines flowing with data-driven precision. In transportation and logistics, we build resilient supply chains that conquer disruption. In banking, our analytics strengthen security and empower smarter, faster decisions. In retail and e-commerce, we create personalized experiences that anticipate every need. In cultural heritage technology, we preserve our digital history for generations to come. And through social impact, we amplify awareness and power purpose-driven projects with technology. This is more than technology. It's a partnership in transformation. We collaborate with you to build the digital ecosystem that becomes the oxygen of your innovation and the energy of your progress. Redefining enterprise possibilities at the Agentic AI frontier. We are Soulax. Innovate, integrate, inspire.